does Earth exhibit magnetic properties? Answer here. The Earth is round as a ball with the North Pole at the top and the South Pole at the bottom. The North magnetic pole of the Earth exerts magnetic force vertically downwards and the South Pole vertically upwards. The strength of the geomagnetic field is half gas. The Earth spins around an imaginary line that connects the geographic North Pole and South Pole. Near each of these poles, the Earth also has a magnetic pole. The magnetic poles act like ends of a magnet. The magnetic North Pole is near LF Ringnes Islands in North Canada, about 1,400 kilometers from the North Pole. The South Magnetic Pole is off the coast of Wilkes Land, a part of Antarctica, about 2,750 kilometers from the South Pole. The Earth is not perfectly round, but slightly flat at the poles. The diameter of the Earth measured from the pole to pole is shorter than the diameter at the equator. The magnetic property of the Earth is called gravity. Gravity is the force with which the objects are attracted towards the Earth. It is because of this property the moon revolves around the Earth. The magnetism of the Earth is similar to that which surrounds a coil of wire when electricity flows through it. Scientists believe that the Earth's magnetism comes from circulations of molten rock in the Earth's outer core. The motion of electric charges in the liquid outer core produces geomagnetic field. The Earth's magnetic field extends into space beyond the atmosphere called magnetosphere. The magnetosphere interacts with the flow of charged particles from the sun called solar wind. This interaction produces displays of light called auroras and the zone of charged particles around the Earth known as Van Allen belts. The belts surrounding the Earth are like donuts. The inner belt extends from about 1000 to 1500 kilometers above the Earth. The outer belt reaches from the above 15,000 to 25,000 kilometers. The Earth's magnetic field traps such particles and directs them towards the magnetic poles. These trapped particles spiral along a system of imaginary lines curved from the north magnetic pole. The inner belt traps particles set free from the Earth's atmosphere by cosmic rays. The outer belt acquires particles from solar system. A continuous stream of charged particles from the sun and the solar flares leading to magnetic storms. The strong fluctuations in the Earth's magnetic field is called magnetic storm. The overall level of magnetic storm activity varies with the recurring 11-year solar activity cycle. The increased magnetic field of the sun not only causes magnetic storms but also the shields of the Earth from the high energy cosmic rays produced by exploding stars called supernova. The decrease in these cosmic rays bombarding the Earth is known as Furbish effect. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please subscribe to get more scientific facts.